So we'll see the next question. Question number 18. So taps A and B can fill a tank in 10 hours and 20 hours respectively. Starting from A, both the taps are opened in alternate hours. What will be the time taken by both the taps to fill the tank? So here, what is the pattern of the question given? So did you note the point alternate? So when they give us alternate, it means that, so earlier we saw when A was opened at 7 o'clock and then B at 8, A was also there. So in this alternate type, so when first hour if A is opened, so it is starting from A. So when we open A first, in the second hour A is closed and B is open. In the third hour B is closed and A is open. So only one tap fills for 1 hour and they are opened in alternate timings, alternate hours. So this alternate concept is an important one. So they ask many questions from this. So we'll see how to work out this type of questions. So here again two taps A and B. So what is time taken by A to fill the tank? So A fills the tank in 10 hours. So B fills the same tank in 20 hours. So both the taps are opened in alternate hours. So starting from A. So if in first hour A is open, second hour A is closed and B is open. So third hour B is closed and A is open. So when you check here, in odd hours they open A and in even hours B is open. So under this condition, so what will be time taken by this tap to fill the whole tank? So we'll take LCM for time taken. So what is LCM for 10 and 20? So 20 is the LCM because 10 is factor of 20. So this 20, so we'll take as the assumed capacity of the tank. So in 1 hour, how many liters A can pour? So work done by A in 1 hour is 20 by 10, 2 liters. So A can pour 2 liters in 1 hour and how many liters B can pour in 1 hour? So it needs 20 hours to fill this 20 liters tank. It means that in 1 hour it can pour only 1 liter. So both the taps when opened in alternate hours, so how many liters of water we'll have? 2 plus 1, 3 liters. So when both the taps are opened in alternate hours, so we have 3 liters of water in how many hours? So when they are opened simultaneously, the base will be for 1 hour, any number of taps or pipes. So we'll have the base as only 1 hour. So in this question, 2 taps alternating, so base will be for 2 hours. So A and B in 2 hours, they fill 3 liters. So first hour A pours 2 liters, second hour B pours 1 liter. Each hour filling is different. So when we check here for 2 hours, 3 liters is poured by the taps. For every 2 hours filling will be same. So though it is different for each hour, so every 2 hours both the taps pour 3 liters. And we need time taken to fill this 20 liters. So first 2 hours if they pour 3 liters, the second 2 hours, that is total 4 hours, how many liters water will have? 3 plus 3, 6 liters. And in the same way, instead of working, so if we open for any number of pairs also, we'll not get 20 because 3 is not a factor of 20. So for this we can work out, like choose a number which when multiplied with 3 will give you a number nearing to 20. So when you multiply this with 6, you get 3 into 6, 18 liters. So when you multiply this with 7, you will get 3 into 7, 21 liters where the tank will overflow. So we stop with 6 pairs of hours. So multiplying this with 6, we get 18 liters in how many hours? Multiply on this side also with 6. So in 12 hours, 18 liters of water is poured by both the taps. So 18 liters in 12 hours. So now how many liters we need? So 20 minus 18, 2 liters. So in 12 liters open in alternate hours, that is in 6 pairs of hours, both the taps pour 18 liters. So 12 is an even number. So we have seen that in even hours B is open. So which tap would have been opened in the 12th hour? So they would have opened B in the 12th hour. So in the 13th hour A will be opened. So in 12 hours we have 18 liters, and in the 13th hour when we open A, it pours 2 liters and the tank is full. So A in the final hour pours 1 liter, and in 1 hour it pours 2 liters. We have 20 liters in 13 hours. So both the taps open in alternate hours. They need 13 hours to fill this 20 liters tank. So A fills in 10 hours, B fills in 20 hours. LCM for 10 and 20 we have assumed it as the capacity as 20 liters. So according to this, A pours 2 liters in 1 hour, B pours 1 liter in the second hour. In 2 hours they pour 3 liters. So filling is different in each hour, but for every 2 hours filling will be same. So every 2 hours both the taps pour 3 liters. So 6 into 2, in 12 hours they would have poured 18 liters. So as 12 is an even number, it would have ended with B. So in the 13th hour when A is opened, it pours 2 liters in the final 1 hour. So total time is 12 plus 1, 13 hours. So answer for question number 18 is option A, 13 hours. And the working here is, so when we worked out the simultaneous concept, so we found what was work done by all the taps. When it was for 2 taps, work done by 2 taps, or if it was 3 taps, base was only for 1 hour. So here it depends upon the number of taps to find the base. Here 2 taps alternating, base will be for 2 hours, and then finding LCM for time taken and taking as the assumed capacity, and we proceed the working. So we'll see the next question. Question number 19. 3 taps fill a tank in 12 hours, 10 hours and 15 hours respectively. Starting from A, the 3 taps are opened in alternate hours in the same order. So what will be the time taken by 3 taps together to fill the tank? So this is also alternate type working. So earlier we saw for 2 taps, here we have 3 taps opened in alternate hours. So first hour tap A is open, and second hour A is closed, B is open. The third hour both the taps are closed and C is open, and it is repeated. So we'll see the working. So here we have 3 taps. So we'll name it as A, B and C. So if the first tap fills a tank in 12 hours, and second tap 10 hours, and third 15 hours. So these 3 taps are opened in alternate hours. So first hour A, second hour A is closed, B is open, third hour both the taps are open, closed and C is open. So now we'll take LCM for time taken. So what is LCM for 12, 10 and 15? So it is 60. So we'll assume this as the capacity of the tank. So a system which can hold 60 liters. So what is work done by A in 1 hour? So dividing 60 by 12, A pours 5 liters of water in 1 hour. So to find work done by B, that is amount of water poured by B. So as it fills in 10 hours, so this 60 liters tank, dividing 60 by 10, 6 liters. So B can pour 6 liters per hour. So C fills the same tank in 15 hours. So dividing 60 by 15, 4 liters. So C can pour 4 liters in 1 hour. So when all the 3 taps are opened together in alternate hours, so what will be the quantity of water poured by all the 3? So adding all the 3, it is 15 liters. So when all the 3 are open, so if it was simultaneous concept, so in 1 hour we have 15 liters of water when all the 3 are open. So here these taps are opened in alternate hour. So first hour A, second hour B, third hour C. So what will be the base? So earlier it was for 2 taps, so base was for 2 hours. So here 3 taps. So all the 3 taps in 3 hours they pour 15 liters. And we need how many liters? 60 liters. So 15 is a factor of 60. So directly we can multiply this with 4. So in 3 hours they pour 15 liters. So in 6 hours they will pour 30 liters. So in the same way we can work out for 60 liters. Or 15 into 4 we get 60 liters. So in how many hours? In how many combinations? So multiply this 4 on the left hand side also. So 4 into 3, 12 hours. So in 12 hours, so we get 60 liters of water. That is, the tank is filled. So all these 3 taps when opened in alternate hours. So we have 3 taps, so base will be for 3 hours. So in 1 hour, in 3 hours they pour 15 liters. To fill 60 liters they need into 4 on either side, 12 hours. So earlier as we had for 2 taps, base was for 2 hours. So here 3 taps open in alternate hours. The base is for 3 hours. In 3 hours they pour 15 liters. To fill 60 liters, so multiplying with 4 on either side, so we need 12 hours for all the 3 taps to fill the tank when opened in alternate hours. So answer for question number 19 is option C, 12 hours. So all the 3 taps opened in alternate hours fill the tank in 12 hours. And the working here is, these taps are open in alternate hour, the base will be for 3 hours. So I am finding LCM for time taken, and assuming that as a capacity, the workings is done based on the question. So we will see the next question, question number 20. So pipe A fills a tank in 8 hours and pipe B empties the same tank in 9 hours. So if they are opened in alternate hours, what will be time taken by both the pipes to fill the tank? So this question is also of alternate type. So but here one pipe is filling, the other is emptying. So this is somewhat an interesting question, and we'll see that in the working. So here we have 2 pipes opened in alternate hours. So pipe A and pipe B. So pipe A fills the tank in 8 hours and pipe B empties the same tank in 9 hours. So as it is emptying, will take us minus 9. So alternate pattern. So first hour A is open and second hour A is closed and B is open. So third hour B is closed and A is open in the third hour. That is, in odd hours they open A and in even hours B is open. So now the same procedure, will take LCM for time taken. So what is LCM for 8 and 9? So product is the LCM. So we'll assume a tank which can hold 72 liters. So what is work done by A and B in 1 hour? So in 1 hour, so if A can fill it in 8 hours, 72 divided by 8. So A can pour 9 liters in 1 hour, and how many liters B can empty? So 72 by 9, B can empty 8 liters in 1 hour. So effectively how much water is there in the tank? So subtracting 9 and 8, only 1 liter of water is there in the tank when both the taps are opened in alternate hours. So what will be the base here? 2 pipes opened in alternate hour. So A and B in 2 hours. Effectively only 1 liter of water is poured. So in 2 hours 1 liter of water will be there in the tank. So we need how many liters of water? 72 liters. So multiplying this with 72, we get 72 liters, and the same 72 has to be multiplied on the left hand side also. So into 72 when multiplied. So in 144 hours 72 liters is there. And now 72 liters means the tank is full. So what is time taken by these 2 taps, one filling the other emptying, to open in alternate hours to fill this tank? 144 hours. But when you work out this, it is wrong. So 144 is a even number. So in even number means B is open in the 144th hour. So when B is open, so what is the effect here? It is only emptying the tank. So it will not fill. So it should not be an even number. And now when you proceed in this pattern, it is wrong. So we'll see how to proceed this type of question where one is filling and the other is emptying when opened in alternate hours. So earlier both filling, they gave starting from A. So here which pipe should be opened first, filling and emptying? Only a pipe which is filling the tank should be opened first. So starting should be with A. And which pipe it should end with? So it can't end with pipe B. So it has to end with the pipe which is filling the tank. So starting and ending both should be with A. So if it is going to end with pipe A, so how many liters A can pour in the final 1 hour? 9 liters. So A can pour 9 liters in the final 1 hour and fill the tank. And we need the working only when the water level comes here. So to come here, how many liters we need? So total is 72. Subtracting 9, it is 63 liters. And now for this 63, timings is found. So both the taps in 2 hours, they can pour 1 liter. To come here, we need 63 liters. To get the water level here, we need 63 liters. So multiplying this with 63 on either sides. So it is 126 hours. So in 126 hours, water level comes to this point where in the final 1 hour, that is in the 127th hour, that is in odd hours, A is open and the tank is filled. So total time is 127. So when you are working with filling and emptying alternate type, so if it is simultaneous, overall effect will be there for 1 hour. But if it is in alternate type filling and emptying, so you check how much water is poured there, effectively how much water is there for 2 hours, and here for 2 hours only 1 liter, and starting and ending both should be with A. So remember that it should not end with B. So filling and emptying, so it should not end with B. And one clue to work out this is, answer will not be a even number. So alternate filling and emptying, answer will not be a even number. It will only be a odd number or a even number with a mixed fraction. A mixed fraction where the integer part is even. So here both the taps in 2 hours pour 1 liter, and A is going to fill the tank finally in the final hour. So it pours 9 liters in the final hour and fills the tank. So to get the water level here, that is 72 minus 9, 63 liters. So we need 126 hours. So for 126 hours, 63 liters is poured plus 1 hour. So we get 63 plus 9, 72 liters. So 126 plus 1, 126 hours is the answer. So filling and emptying alternate type. The important thing which has to be noted is ending should be only with A, not with the tap, not with the pipe which is emptying the tank. And another clue is that answer will not be a even number. So answer for question number 20 is option B, 127 hours. And the working here is, so here two taps open in alternate hours, one is filling, the other is emptying, and as we did earlier, LCM is found and the base is for 2 hours. And the one important thing which we have to notice, it should not end with the pipe which is emptying. So starting and ending should be both with the pipe which is filling the tank. And the working is proceeded according to the question. Friends, so far we have discussed about so many concepts. For each concept, I have given you shortcuts to work out and also easy techniques to work out. So I have given you this LCM concept, the ratio concept, and that 1:2 ratio, where without working you can go for the answers directly. So workings will be easier when you practice this, applying all these shortcuts. So men and work and taps and cisterns both have similar concepts and workings will also be similar. So in the exam they ask many questions in both these topics. So as both have similar topics, it will be useful when you read, and also it will give the effect of reading 2 chapters when you are thorough with 1 chapter also. So practice all this concept, master all these concepts. So you have so many questions in the portal, practice all that using all these shortcuts so that you will score high marks in the exam. And all the best, friends.